have messed around with trying to get fuel pumps out of Harleys, it can be pretty tricky and very frustrating. I'm going to go ahead and apologize now for the audio in this video. Today was a compilation of audio fails. This wasn't even the plan of the video I was going to make today. I was actually going to use today as my first moto vlog and show you guys my Dyna and talk about some of the things that I had done with it. 30 seconds into the ride, my mic shut off and all I got was a bunch of wind noise the whole ride to work. And the same exact thing happened on the ride home. So this is what we managed to get today. I want to put it out even though it's bad audio because I don't do these fuel pumps often, and this is something that I think will be helpful when it comes time for you guys to pull out and put in your fuel pump, because these can be a pain in the ass, and I broke the first one I ever tried to get out because I didn't know this. Anyways, this one was all plugged up, the filter was all disintegrated, and the pump was trashed, so I pulled that apart and replaced the pump, replaced the filter, replaced the hoses. But anyways, you gotta take these out. This would be facing, that would be the front side of the bike. And it sits down in the tank like this. If you try to pull it straight out, you'll never get it out of the tank without breaking like this. A lot of people don't know, this actually swivels like this. It comes straight. So now this part is the front of the bike. So you try to get it out like this, and it'll never go around the center of the tank. So what you need to do is swivel this like this to get it out. When you got it in the tank, it's really hard to see anything in there. So I figured I'll just show you this real quick while it's out of the tank. So pretend like this is in the tank. What you're going to want to do is reach down into the tank here. Okay? You're going to be able to get a screwdriver. It's kind of like right in there, if you can see that. Just somewhere flat that you can get some leverage on. And then essentially you just push down on that. Okay? Push down and out. Like it's being difficult now. So like you push down and out. Once it starts to straighten, and then you can get it out of the tank. Sits in like a little clip there. And sometimes they're a little bit more of a pain in the ass to get out when they haven't been out in a while. But without swiveling that, you will break it. Anyways, hope that helps. I meant to do this when I pulled this one out. I don't think I had my camera with me that day. Something simple. This isn't something you're going to have to do a whole lot. And honestly, when you do, you'll probably forget that you even saw this video. But you'll know it exists, and you know you can come back and watch it. Alright, so check it out. I've thrown it back in like it's installed. I just want to give you you guys a rough idea of how it looks to pull it out while you poke down and press that thing and swivel it out. Okay? This is my new hose. This would generally be attached to here. Okay? But I'm going to put that out of the way for now. So you'd be attached like this. You get all your screws out. You go ahead and pull it up a little bit so you can gain access into seeing in there. Now look, I was literally just in there and I already figured out exactly where I need to poke. So, get a flashlight in there and you're looking for that little plastic shelf. Okay, see it down in there. There, you got it straight, and then she comes out relatively easy. Good. And it's out. These are still a pain in the ass even when you do it right. There's just no way around that. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like going back in. Same thing, you're going to want it straight, flexed out like that, not like this. Okay. anyway, outside of me hooking this hose back up, it would be back in. I'm sweating. I gotta turn my fans off so you guys can hear me. My camera's on a super sketchy tripod right now, which I don't trust trying to attach this because I'm gonna have to shake everything around. So that's pretty much that. Hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out if I can. Later.